Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to engage or disengage electronic parking brake. This video will apply to second generation Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the first thing to know, you have to be in the parking mode to be able to engage the parking brake. If you're in the reverse or drive mode, you will not be able to do it. Okay, so to start, first thing you will do, I will turn the flash on my phone actually. You will press and keep holding the brake pedal. And while you are holding it, you will pull this parking brake switch up once, just like this, and you will get a message here on the instrument cluster, park brake on, and you will get this red light in the bottom right corner. Now to disengage the parking brake, you will do the same thing. So you will press and keep holding the brake pedal, but you will push this switch down once. And you will see, you will get the message, park brake off, and this light here will not be on anymore. I will also add in this video, in case you are planning to service the rear brakes by yourself, you will have to access the brake service mode. And I will share the link on how to do it in the description of this video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.